Hi, hello. My name is Benny and I work for the Bendy Bones Fursuit company, and today I'd like to show you how to make a reference for a 3D model of a mask, or you can apply this technique to anything, but it's really nice for making masks for fursuits. Firstly, what you need is a picture of your face. This is mine. It's a front and side view, so I can place the eyes and the mouth where they need to be, so I can breathe out of the holes. And what we are going to draw first is this head. Draw a bit of an example here. Let's make a cow. I'm going to draw the face shape first. It's going to be round. Maybe make some eyes or something like that, and you need to make sure that the pupils line up with the eyes. This is what we need the reference for. I'm going to only draw half of the face. Now I'm going to add the nostrils. Okay, awesome. It's not great, but you know, it is what it is. It's honestly not that important. And now, just an example, I'm telling you. We duplicate this, flip it, and this is aligned horizontal perpendicular, so we move it horizontally until it lines up with the center here. It doesn't need to be ideal, but you know. And we can move the stuff around a bit. Hide this because I think I need to move the eye a bit. And this is how it would work, then I would just do this again and keep going on, but I'm just going to leave it as is, so we can keep on going. Now I'm just going to merge these. Oh, oops. Silly me. Okay, merge it. And now we need to draw lines, horizontal lines. I'm going to turn on a ruler for this. Whichever program you prefer should probably have this option as well. I'm going to draw lines from the top of my head, the bottom of the jaw, and every point that's really important. So the muzzle, the top of the nose, things like that, the eye top, bottom as well. And I don't draw the pupils. I prefer to freestyle that one because I believe it gets a bit too crowded like that. And the edge of the mouth. I also have this face just moves in a bit closer. That's edited in. And now we are going to draw the head how I think it should be from here to here. For example, are the lines for the nostrils. So I go down. Now I have this sort of poking out here, the lip. This is where the mouth ends. I can give her a bit of a smile, something. Nose of the cow. And then the eyes, they start out here and end down here, so this is where we're going to draw them. And the bottom of the mouth. Obviously, on a normal fursuit, the mouth would be open because you need to breathe. But I have omitted that detail. And yeah, you don't have to draw the pupils, I just did that one out of habit. Quick horizontal line. And there you go. That's how you draw a reference. And you can make it as nice and pretty as you want. This is a feline I drew using this method. Not everything lines up perfectly, but personally I just prefer to make an overall shape and then perfect it in the 3D workspace. Thank you very much. And if you make something, ping me on the social media. You can also visit my store down below. This seems too hard. I do sell all sorts of bases, things like that. So you're very much welcome to check it out. Goodbye.